Daniel or LAOC Exotics here. Check out what's behind me. We have a Corvette C8, brand new 2020. I just got the DM a couple days ago. He said, hey, want to shoot my car? It's a new C8. Send me a couple pictures. I was super excited. This is the first one I've actually seen. Look at that, Boost District. This is his shop. They do superchargers, a lot of Boost stuff, and they create monster cars. In the future, this thing's gonna kill a UGR Lambo, no problem. So we have a good gray color. Check out the black wheels. Not white. Shout out Stradman. Look at that. Big old V8. Look at that wing too. Woo! This thing is so sick. So here's the inside. Check out the seats. Wow, they look like Lambo seats, the first look. You can put harnesses in right there. Carbon fiber around the seats. It says Stingray right there on the radio. Stingray right there. This thing's sick. The whole center console and everything is tilted for the driver. Let's go check out the driver's side. So there's the steering wheel. It's not a circle, it's like rectangular. That looks awesome. We're gonna have to move real quick because we got a car coming down. But yeah, this thing's so sick. Ooh. Listen to that V8 rumble. That looks so sick. So wide, look at that rear end. Dang. Man, look at that thing. Here's a better startup. That was on quiet mode, this one's loud. There we go. Man, look at that rear end. That's crazy. Man, that sounds good. That's crazy. All right, so here we go. This is gonna be my first ride in a C8. So here we go, we're inside, first impressions. These seats hug you just like a Lambo bucket seat or a McLaren bucket seat. They feel really good, really high quality, nice leather. The inside is awesome. Check out the little screen right here, how it's pointed towards the driver. The steering wheel, the heads-up display. He's even got the little plastic piece covering the screen right there because it's brand new.
Coming out soon.
How many miles we got on here?
1376.
1376. Every mile count?
Kind of. I got it since 3 miles, so close enough.
Awesome. All right, so how long ago did you get this?
About 4 weeks ago, a month ago.
Okay, what's the top speed you got it up to?
55.
What are the future plans for this car?
Probably a small cam, working with Magnaflow with exhaust for sure on the race version. And then we're gonna do headers and also my supercharger kit that I'm gonna develop for it. So
awesome.
That's why we bought the car, to develop the supercharger kits and market it, and it'll be fun. But we're gonna try to make it fit. That's the priority.
So the little test mule.
Yep.
All right. Okay, so this Corvette right here is a stock C8, brand new. So when Corvette comes out with their ZR1 or Z06, their supercharged version, how is the supercharger that you're gonna build compare to that?
Well, we don't really know what the plan is. There's a lot of leaks here and there for what's gonna come out. They say that the Z06 will be an NA 7-liter again.
Oh wow.
Or a flat plane NA, and then the ZR1 would be a twin turbo car. So they're gonna make a supercharged version, but my target was, I bought this car because it's a cheaper, good platform that is gonna be upcoming. And if we can purchase a $60,000 Corvette and slap a supercharger on it, and the value for the money is just unbeatable. You can have a 650 horsepower to the wheels probably with a supercharger after the fuel system that we were gonna put on it. And the value for the money is just unbeatable with the setup you're gonna be getting. You know? Stock Corvettes are running low 11s already, and with the supercharger you probably can pick up a full second, maybe run a quarter mile in the high 9s. Dang. Stock with a tire on it with the supercharger. I think that's pretty damn competitive, and even a lot more bang for your buck.
Yeah, I agree.
For what's coming for the future, that's for sure.
Gotcha.
But yeah, the point of this car, I bought it so we can test fit and experiment with it and have fun for sure while in the process.
Check it out, the rear view mirror, you can see there's a back camera. That's the spoiler right there.
And that's just a regular.
That's awesome. You flip it and then you get a rear view camera.
It's such a difference.
That's awesome. That's the first time I've ever seen one of those. All right, we're gonna do a poll, my first poll in a C8. Here we go, let's see what this thing's about. Wow, that was really fast getting to 55. this thing's quick. $60,000. This is what you get. Slap a supercharger on, then you get 650 to the wheel. Oh man. Okay, so here we are in a brand new C8. How many of these things are on the road right now?
As of today, while we're in the coronavirus break, there's like less than 2,800 cars. I think almost like 2,700 made only on the road today.
Wow.
For production vehicles.
Yeah.
Then there are some pre-production cars that were also sold by GM. They re-QC'd it, and some are still stuck in Michigan. Like I ordered one in Texas dealership, a ceramic matrix gray one, and it got stuck in Michigan, and I just canceled it because I didn't want to wait until whenever this ends. This coronavirus plant shutdown. Talking about.
Yeah, because it seems like every day they're extending it a little more.
Exactly. If I would have waited for my ceramic matrix color or ceramic matrix order, I probably still wouldn't have my Corvette. So.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, here we are. We're in downtown Redlands, if anyone knows where that is, here in Southern California. Got some nice little Christmas looking lights on the trees and stuff. We had the car in the middle of the road taking pictures with all the lights on the trees way back there, and then even down here it looks pretty good with the lights on the trees. So we took some cool photos. I'll throw up a few photos on screen at the end of the video. But yeah, this thing's awesome. Like I said, this is the first time that I'm with one of these things up close. I love it. I understand the hype now. When these things first came out, there was so much hype around them, specifically because it's a mid-engine American supercar. They've never really made a mid-engine supercar other than the Thrust or the SSC Ultimate Aero, but that's not really a supercar. Chevy finally made this one. This is the Corvette. They've been talking about it for a while, and I'm really glad that they finally pulled the trigger. This is what they came up with. The 2020 Chevrolet Corvette C8. Everything on this car is just so like thought out. Even the tail lights. Look at that. The wing, it's so wide. The big boy engine in the back. This roof is actually a hardtop roadster. You could take it off. This thing is so sick. If you stand far enough back, if you look at the wing from this corner, it kind of looks like a P1, especially with the headlight. I'll put a picture of a P1 up on screen right now so you guys can see the similarities. But yeah, this thing looks awesome. 10 out of 10. Great job, Chevy. Check that thing out on the road. That thing looks sinister. Wow. Do a pull. All right, we're gonna try to get some flybys for you guys. He's gonna go up and down this road right here. Hopefully he can get into some decent speed. There it is. That thing looks so crazy moving. Here he goes. Here he comes. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. That was nuts. It's so sick.